Hello and welcome to another episode of How You Can Do It Too. In this episode, my mother-in-law called me up. She had some Lucy faucet handles. It's pretty simple. I'm gonna try to make it real simple, but got little tabs up here. I hope you can see them. Actually, I think I can get my fingernail under it. Just pop them off. You see this, the little tab? It says, got an H on it for hot. And what you need to do is just put a flashlight. I actually can see this. Put it down the hole. See if you got a Phillips or a flathead. This one's a combination. It'll take a flathead or Phillips. If they're out of whack, you can actually loosen it up more, pull up the faucet, put it where you want to, push it back down. But then all you do is you put your little screwdriver down in here, find a flathead, start tightening it down. You don't want to go real tight on it, just want to snug it up. They'll have a tendency to loosen up a little bit, but see, it's loose. Here's the loose one. I'll tighten that up, and then just take your little cap, pop it back on how it's supposed to be, how you want it facing, push it down. Simple as that. So thank you for watching, and I'm going to send this video to my mother-in-law so she'll know how to do it herself. All right, have a good day. Take care.